Hello tubes, good day again from this huge tractor event in Kamerik. Well, there are a few lines, people waiting for French fries, sandwiches, nice strong lemonade. There's fun for the kids here too. See. Fresh French fry. I already had some, just in time. And, well, not sure where to start. They're all here. We all lost count, but some people say around 400, others say around 600. Well, there are many old things here. Not sure where to start. Well, there was somebody who asked me about Porsche Diesel tractors. I think that's a Porsche Diesel, is it? No. This thingy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a real Porsche Diesel Junior. Small. Oh. Well, if there's oil, it doesn't rust. Not sure whether you knew that Porsche also made these farm tractors. Let's see. Check the plate. If somebody has been chopping there. What do they say? 1952. Baumuster. Type 108. Fahrgestell. Frame number. VIN number. K-14322-C. Not sure, but it's the real info. Made in Germany, of course. Sure, made in Germany. Dash, simple dash. Auszukuppeln. A real Porsche, not a fast one, but a strong one, and a survivor. Well. I'll show you the rows and rows and rows of old tractors. Goes on and on and on. This is a row with the old stationary engines. Yeah. Getting a bit dark. Maybe some rain. Rain is expected. Wait a minute, another Porsche. Let's find the Porsches. Yeah. Another Junior. Plate. Oh, there's the plate. It's also 108, yeah, type 108. Different thingy. Well, Choops, I'm gonna end this vid here. There's so much to see, but I can't vid them all. I hope you like the vid of the huge convoy of all these old thingies. So you have seen them piece by piece. Well, greets from a relatively sunny Netherlands. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.